Assalamu alaikum. Thank you so much for watching our video. Today we will explain a topic from the most popular e-commerce website theme Woodmart. How to set up a Woodmart theme from WordPress. Now first of all I will go to cPanel and install a domain, a WordPress. Now I will set up a subdomain for my recently buy a domain hosting. So the name of domain hosting is 4.greenishit.demo.com. now it's 100% installation completed. I will go to WordPress website and I will go to appearance, go to add new theme, and I will select a theme from Woodmart. Now next install the theme. Just wait little, network problem. Okay, now install complete, and I will also be active the theme. Activate, I will click there, and let's go Woodmark theme. Now next I will click the next button. Okay, install the child theme, and the next button click here, and I will also set up the Elementor. So install and active all theme, all plugins. Just stay with the video. I will fully explain how to install the Woodmark theme. Okay, installing the all plugins. Wait little, network problem, so it's so late. But now here it's complete, and I will also be installed all plugin. Now right now I will check a demo. There are many demos are here. I will add any type of demo. Now here I will go to the top from the demo site. Okay, and I will check the last first four of the demo. Okay, I will go. There's the Woodmark theme, a vegetable demo website. Okay, and here are some category, subcategory. There are left menu. Okay, I will go to the add to cart button and checkout. Okay, there are checkout page, billing address, etc, etc. Here processing. Now I will go to my main settings. Okay, and install the theme, install the demo. Now 10%, 12%, 15% almost done. Just wait little, it's loaded from 1 or 2 minutes, then install complete the website. So let's check it how it's beautiful to install all the demo. Wait little just. Okay, $37, 40% almost done, 50% almost done, 45%. Okay, just wait a little bit, then it's complete, fully complete. Okay, 79, 80%, 82, 85, 90%, 95. Okay, almost done, 100%. Okay, it's the site is almost ready, and I will check visit the site. Here I click the visit site and go to the site. Here the website almost installed, and I will check the website. Here are the menus, and here are the category, product, etc, etc, all are there. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video.